Hello, my name is Stephen Gottlieb, and I made up the GMAT Prep Math video. At this point, I would just love for you to sit back, view a sample demonstration that I made up. That way you get to see a little bit of my teaching style. I wrote a problem behind me, word problem, and how about we work it out? You come to know that a fish tank is half full. So let's draw a diagram. Let this be a fish tank. Right now, it's half full. After adding 10 gallons of water, so let me just mark this as half. And then we put in 10 more gallons, and we come to know that it's 7/8 full. What is the capacity of the tank? Now, for example, if I knew, and I'm not saying this is true, but if I knew that 10 gallons was 1/3 of the tank, I multiply the left side and the right side by 3. Left, right. Why? Because I don't want to know what 1/3 of a tank is. I want to know what one tank is. If I multiply this by 3, 1/3 times 3 is 1, times tank is 1 tank. Multiply the left side by 3, and I get 30 gallons. Okay, if it turned out that the 10 gallons represented 2/3 of a tank, I would multiply by 3/2. Because if you multiply by the reciprocal, you're going to get 1. Now I'm sure you know what 2 times 3 is, but let's make believe you don't. 2 times 3, whatever it is, it's the same as 3 times 2. That is, the top and the bottom are going to be equal. That fraction is 1. 1 what? 1 tank. So I multiply over here by 3/2. And it would turn out, if you multiply correctly, you get 15 gallons. Because 2 goes into 10 5 times. 3 times 5 is 15 times gallons. It's 15 gallons. I want to know what part of the tank the 10 gallons takes up. Is it 1/3? Is it 1/4? Is it 7/11? Well, 1/2 is the same as 4/8. If you get 4 questions right out of 8, you got half right. So now I can see this portion is 4/8. But if I add this in, I get 7/8. That's 3/8. 7/8 minus 1/2 is 7/8 minus 4/8, which is 3/8. The 10 gallons represents 3/8 of the tank. Well, I don't want to know what 3/8 of a tank is. I want to know what one tank is. So that motivates me big time to multiply by 8/3. That way the 8's cancel, and the 3's cancel, and cancel the 1, and I get 1 tank full. 1 full tank. And on the left side, I also multiply by 8/3. And I get 8 times 10 is 80/3. Get 83rd gallons. You want a better feel for that? You do 3 into 80, goes 2 times. 3 times 2 is 6. Take 6 from 8, get 2 left over. 3 into 20 goes 6 times with 2 left over. The remainder 2 gets divided by 3. The tank holds 26 2/3 gallons. 1 full tank. And we knew that because we knew the 10 gallons represented 3/8 of a tank. This completes the sample demonstration. I appreciate that you watched it to the very end, and most of all, Best of luck on your upcoming exam. Thank you.